there are two types of TB, the drug-sensitive TB and the drug-resistance TB. But what is the first investigation of choice? Like the question could be asked, like we are going to screen TB in a community. So sir, हम लोग क्या करेंगे? Like पहली चीज हमें क्या करना है जब हम TB को screen करेंगे? The very
मैम जो टेस्ट काफी सस्ता होगा, चीप होगा, कन्वीनियंट होगा, दैट शुड बी डन फॉर स्क्रीनिंग आई बिलीव।
yes, exactly. And यहीं पे सर आजकल स्टूडेंट्स कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं. They forget that sputum testing अभी भी करनी है. That's the first thing that we have to do. You have to do a sputum AFP. And then later we started with CBNAT, line probe assay. So CBNAT is, you all know Gene Expert, and CBNAT is the one which is detecting resistance to rifampicin alone in the program. And if you want to detect resistance to, resistance to rifampicin and isoniazid, we go for line probe assay. But sometimes a question bhi aata hai sir, where they ask ki when would the result come, the turnaround time. So like you all know, CBNAT we can immediately is offered at baseline to every TB suspect, which is known as universal drug susceptibility testing, and CBNAT result comes within 2 hours. Line probe assay again almost within 72 hours.
सो इन रेजिस्टेंस टेस्टिंग मैम, अगर एक HIV पॉजिटिव पेशेंट आया और उसमें TB इंडिया में मोस्ट कॉमन अपॉर्चुनिस्टिक इन्फेक्शन है, सो विच फर्स्ट लाइन टेस्ट यू विल डू इन HIV positive people to screen for TB?
Yeah, that's so rightly pointed out, sir. This is a question also, in fact, that what is the first investigation of choice in a person living with HIV? So guys, of course, आप sputum करोगे, but the question is asking first investigation of choice. So for that, your answer is CBNAT. In fact, CBNAT is a reserved first investigation of choice, जैसे people living with HIV, extrapulmonary TB cases, pediatric TB cases, recurrent TB cases. So you have to make a note of that point.
So I think in general population, sputum is the first, and in HIV or high risk individual,